Does your Vizio TV look way too dark, even with brightness turned up? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the dim picture problem in just a few easy steps and get your TV looking bright and vibrant again. Step 1. Check power saver and eco mode. Let's start with one of the most common causes of a dark screen, the power saver or eco mode. Vizio TVs often come with power saving settings turned on by default. These settings automatically dim your screen to save electricity, but they can make your picture look way too dark, especially in bright rooms. Here's how to fix that. Pick up your Vizio remote and press the menu button. From there, go to Picture Energy Saving or Eco Mode. Once you find it, simply turn it off. B-roll of the remote and use menu navigation sequence, Eco Mode, off, highlighted. Show a split-screen comparison, left side dull and dark, right side bright and colorful after turning off Eco Mode. As soon as you turn off Eco Mode, you'll notice an instant boost in brightness and color clarity. A quick, easy fix that works on nearly every Vizio model. Step 2. Adjust brightness and backlight. Next, let's fine-tune your picture manually. Open the menu again and go to Picture Brightness. Slowly raise it until the image looks comfortably bright, not washed out, but clear and vibrant. After that, head to the backlight setting and increase it between 80 and 100 for the best visibility, especially in well-lit rooms. Close-up of menu sliders moving up gradual improvement in picture clarity. If your picture still looks dull, double-check your picture mode. Many Vizio TVs default to calibrated dark, which is meant for pitch-black home theaters. Instead, try switching to standard or vivid mode. Both give a much brighter, more colorful look that's perfect for everyday viewing. Step 3. Turn off local dimming. Now, let's talk about a hidden setting that can also make your screen appear darker, local dimming. This feature is designed to enhance contrast by darkening parts of the screen where the image is black. But sometimes, it goes too far and lowers the overall brightness. To fix this, open the menu More Picture Local Dimming. Try setting it to low or completely off. Demonstrate toggling local dimming from high, low, off. Show side-by-side footage, dark details recovering brightness after adjustment. Turning off local dimming can instantly make your movies and shows look brighter, especially in scenes with shadows or darker tones. Step 4. Check HDMI picture mode. If you're using a gaming console, Blu-ray player, or streaming device, your HDMI settings can also affect screen brightness. Go to Input Settings, HDMI mode. Make sure it's set to 2.0 or enhanced, not standard. This ensures your TV receives the full brightness and color signal from your device. Also, check if your external device has HDR turned on. While HDR can look great, it sometimes makes regular content appear too dim. If you're not watching HDR movies or games, try turning HDR off for normal, balanced brightness. Show HDMI settings navigation switching from standard to enhanced on-screen difference with before and after. And that's it. Your Vizio TV should now look bright and clear again. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others fix the same issue.